Hey, what's going on, guys? It's boy Nelson Chon here from Chon's Adventures here. Back on your screen, guys. Today, guys, got another train coming. Coming right now. You guys can barely see him, but he's coming. Looks like it's a whole bunch of containers. Whole bunch of containers. Here we go. Here he comes. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Coming pretty good. Coming in smoothly. It's another BNSF. BNSF seems to be pretty popular up here in Flagstaff, Arizona. Here we go. BNSF right there. Let's go. Woo! It's a 1, 2, 3, 4 engine train. We're just gonna watch it go now. 4 inch, it's gonna be pretty long. Going pretty slow too. Holy cow. Wow. It's going pretty slow. Sounds like drums. Wow. Seems like it's slowing down. Yeah, it's slowing down a bit. Huh. Yeah, it's like stopping a bit. Slowing down a bit. Wonder what's going on. It's wanting to move. What the? Just stopped. Wonder if it's a signal. Yeah, the train just stopped here. What the? Like some graffiti on these engines. Look at that. Connections to the cars. What's going on? It feels like a signal, and it's telling the train to stop. Because it's not moving. Wait. What the? This is weird. I've never seen this happen before. So it's like stopped. Look at this. It's pretty weird. The cars are staying attached to the same set of wheels. But then there, it's got a couple. I wonder if there's another train coming through, or I don't know what's going on. Too bad I don't have the scanner. I have a scanner. Can see what's going on. See why this train has stopped. Weird. I wonder if there's like another train coming in. Because this just stopped. going on. Yeah, this chase just stopped. Look at the size of those wheels. Call those tiny? Huh. So for some reason this train seems to be stopped. But I don't know what is going on. Oh my gosh. Wonder if the train like broke down or something, or I don't know what's going on, but it's just stopped here. Maybe there's a signal. Weird. Well, wonder why it stopped.
Oh, by the way,
Shout out to Dutch Bros for making some good coffee. Oh yeah, and here in Flagstaff, there's a new Dutch Bros that's going to be opening June 12th. So if you guys want to come to a party that they're throwing, be sure to visit Dutch Bros in Flagstaff, Arizona.
on Route 66.
Yeah, around 66. But for some reason this train stopped. Wonder what's going on. Yeah, I never seen this happen before, where a train just stops. It just stopped rolling completely. Maybe there's like a signal up ahead that's telling it not to go. Oh, wait, here we go. This might be why. Because there's another train coming.
That's Flagstaff.
Maybe that's why.
We have double trains. So we have double trains coming.
We got 2 trains at once. Another train coming. So maybe that's why this one stopped. But we're gonna watch this one go now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole bunch of gravel cars, box cars. So we got a train passing another train. Whoa. Whoa. Like this one's insane. Oh. So we got some car haulers. Okay. So a second train just passed, and this one still stopped. It's a mystery. If you guys want to see what happens, then check out part 2 of this train. So I'm going to go ahead and end it here so we don't make it too terribly long. And yeah, if you guys want to see what happens, be sure to punch the subscribe button and punch the bell to not miss that notification to see what's wrong. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.